Hey, I'm Gainham. Let's talk about division with a single-digit divisor.
What?
What if you have 132 toy bricks and you want to share it with 2 friends? So we're going to cut it in half.
Yeah!
Well, how many toy bricks does each friend get? All right, let's get our 132 bricks and then we'll cut it in half and we'll see. We have so many bricks here. We want to cut it in half. Oh no, I just pushed the friends out of the way. That's roughly half and half. So we've got pile and pile, 2 piles. This is to illustrate that when we cut it in half, 132 divide it by 2, what is that gonna be? Well, that's easy. 100 divided by 2. Well, let's think about that. We can split up 100 easily because there are 5 2s in 10. 2 50s inside 100. Why does that matter? Well, now all we have to do is divide 32. 32 divided by 2 is equal to, think about that, how many 2's are in 32? 16. What? How'd you get 16? Easy. Think about it this way. 30 divided by 2. We know that. That's 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. And then you add one more 2 to the 30 to get 32. So we're gonna have 16. And we're gonna have 50. Well, what's 50 and 16? 50 and 10 plus 6. Oh, we know that. 50 plus 16 is 60 and 6, aka 66. So each friend, we have too many friends here. If we're cutting into 2 equal piles, each friend is going to get 66 toy bricks. 66, 66. That is half of 132. Give yourself a round of applause. Very good.
Division, division, brand new adventures. Division, division, home innovations. Division, division, no multiplying. Division, division, not addition. Division, division, we're ready to go.
If you have 354 donuts and you want to share them with 6 friends, this one's a doozy, but here's the good news. We are looking at a very nice number. We gotta cut up 354 donuts into 6 equal piles. Well, the good news is we can dice up 300 into 6 even piles.
Really?
Yeah, because we know that there are 5 6s in 30. So what does that tell us? That means there are going to be 50 6s or 6 50s in 300. Ooh, that's good. So let's table that. We can cut up the 300 donuts into piles of 50 donuts. 6 piles to be exact. And then we have 54 left over. Can we share that evenly with our 6 friends? You bet! There are 9 6s in 54. So, out of the remaining 54 donuts, you're gonna make 6 equal piles of 9 donuts. So collectively, what do we have? We have a pile of 50 donuts and a pile of 9 donuts. 50 and 9 is also known as 59. So we're going to give each friend 59 donuts. 111 stinky socks. Share it with 3 people. How many stinky socks does each person get? 37. 3 times 37, that's 90 plus 21. Yep, 111 stinky socks. So each person gets 37. That's a lot of stinky socks. If you want more stinky socks, you're in the right place. Mom, Dad, if you want to support this channel and get early access to full-length episodes, these are just the shortened ones, then go to the link below. You can buy us a coffee, or you can even join the Greater Gators class to unlock all the bonuses. See you next time. God bless.
I'm Pirate Sam.
Green beans! Green beans? You bet, green beans. What if you have, well, let's think about this here. We have, in this example, 555 green beans. That's a lot of green beans. If you want to share 555 green beans with 5 friends, well, how many green beans will each friend get? I'm so glad you asked. Let's take a look. If you want to divide 555 evenly among 5 friends, well, let's think about this. 500 can be evenly split up into 5 groups. It's built into the name, 500 or 500s. So there you go. Ba-da-boom. That means you can have 5 separate piles of 100 green beans. Woohoo! What about the leftover 55 green beans? Oh, I'm also glad you asked because 55 is 50 and 5. And what is 50? It's 5 tens! So it too has it built into the name that you are literally bunching together piles of 10 green beans. You have 5 piles of green beans. That means you have 10 in each pile. Okay, so far we have established we're gonna have 100 green beans, we're going to have 10 green beans, and what about those leftover 5 green beans? How can you share that with 5 friends? Easy, it's 5 ones. So each person gets 1 green bean from that smaller pile in the ones place. So we've got our hundreds, we've got our tens, and we've got our ones. Everybody is going to get 110 and 1 green bean. In other words, 110 plus 1, 111 green beans. That's a lot of green beans for each friend. 555 divided by 5 is 111.
The numbers.